Toyota Highlander empowers drivers to break from the norm with style and sophistication. This midsize SUV brings impressive versatility backed by high-tech features and plenty of curbside appeal. Equipped with class-above appointments and a youthful energy that inspires adventure, Highlander is ready to show that the best journeys are shared with friends. For 2025, Highlander celebrates its 25 model years of success with the 25th edition, which blends an upscale interior with hybrid electric efficiency and all-wheel drive traction for a premium experience behind the wheel. From the value-packed Core LE and XLE grades to the sporty XSC and Premium Platinum, Highlander packs plenty of value backed by effortless style. And for 2025, Highlander commemorates 25 model years with the 25th edition. Based on the hybrid limited grade and offered in heavy metal or wind-chill pearl exterior colors, this special edition brings an upscale touch with details like silver-painted exterior trim, customized carpet floor mats and all-weather cargo liner, and exclusive portobello leather-trimmed seats. This plush, crafted style is highlighted in Highlander's modern exterior thanks to its sculpted lines. From its standard LED headlights to its available 20-inch alloy wheels, Highlander's premium look helps it stand out from the pack. The XSE grade enhances this with sporty details like a black painted front mesh grille and twin-tip exhaust, resulting in a performance-inspired aesthetic that's sure to get noticed. This style is also functional thanks to the standard power liftgate, which makes accessing the cargo area so seamless. Meanwhile, the available power panoramic moonroof gives the inviting cabin an airy feel, highlighting just how useful and comfortable Highlander's interior is. Together with features that make every road trip more relaxing, this SUV is ready to help you get the most out of every drive. Flexible and well-appointed, Highlander's interior sets the standard for versatility and comfort. Step inside using the standard smart key system and experience clever features like the standard in-dash split-level shelf and standard 3-zone automatic climate control that helps keep the cabin at the right temperature. Meanwhile, available heated and ventilated front seats, an available heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, and available second-row captain's chairs raise Highlander's premium feel. In terms of versatility, 2 available 120-volt 1500-watt outlets on hybrid grades allow the crew to plug in while unplugging on that latest adventure. Additionally, the available Qi-compatible wireless charger keeps mobile devices powered, while the available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and available head-up display are designed to put relevant data in the driver's line of sight. Need more storage? Drop the standard 60-40 split fold-down second and third rows for up to 84.3 cubic feet of cargo space. The class-above approach complements this versatile interior with plenty of user-friendly tech, resulting in a well-rounded SUV that makes the most out of every drive. Intuitive and cutting-edge, Highlander makes staying connected effortless. Featuring a standard 8-inch or available 12.3-inch touchscreen, the latest Toyota audio multimedia platform includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin and even more on the SiriusXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Select grades also come with trials to Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. This audio multimedia experience is elevated by the available 11-speaker JBL Premium audio system, which plays everything from road trip playlists to favorite podcasts in high fidelity. Highlander's tech is complemented by top-class driver assistance, bringing added convenience to every drive. Highlander's active safety and driver assistance features bring added confidence on the road. That's why every grade comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. The standard blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert and the available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking are designed to give drivers added peace of mind on the road. Plus, the available panoramic view monitor is designed to provide a clear view of what's around the vehicle. All of this tech and convenience is complemented by smooth power and a plush ride, making Highlander ready to hit the road in search of adventure. Highlander's advanced powertrains elevate its premium feel, all while delivering an impressive blend of performance and efficiency. This starts with a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine with 265 horsepower on gas grades, and an available Toyota hybrid system with 243 net combined horsepower, both of which make Highlander a responsive performer. Highlander can also tow up to 5,000 pounds, allowing drivers to bring more gear on that next road trip. Looking for an athletic feel to complement that power and capability? No problem. Highlander XSE's standard Sport Tune suspension ups the fun quotient with enhanced agility. And should road conditions require extra traction, Highlander can be equipped with all-wheel drive to help drivers get through varying weather conditions. Highlander is also impressively efficient at up to an EPA estimated 25 miles per gallon combined on gas grades, or an EPA estimated 35 miles per gallon combined on hybrid grades. Fuel stops are few and far between while on the road with the crew. Toyota Highlander proves that boldness knows no bounds. With its refined power and ride, every drive is an incredible experience for everyone. Best of all, Highlander offers added value through Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, and 2-year unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Hybrid models also include a hybrid system warranty for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first, making them great choices for long-term ownership. Together with its sophisticated drive and thoughtful versatility, Highlander elevates the drive with modern appointments and style. Want to learn more? Check out toyota.com/Highlander.